In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a list of invoices sent in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a small business or just keeping track of your finances, knowing which invoices have been sent is an essential part of staying organized. QuickBooks Online makes it simple to generate reports that provide a clear view of your invoicing activity, and with just a few clicks, you can customize these reports to fit your needs. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can find a link in the description to get started. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and locate the left-hand navigation menu. This menu is your main hub for accessing different features within the platform. Click on it to expand the options, then select Reports from the list. The Reports page is where you can access a variety of pre-built reports to help you manage your business finances. Now, once you're on the Reports page, you'll see a search box at the top. Go ahead and click into the search box and type the words Invoice List. QuickBooks will filter and display matching results for you. When you see the Invoice List report appear, click on it to open the report. With the Invoice List report open, the first thing you'll want to do is set the report period to match the time frame you're interested in. Look for the drop-down menu at the top of the report labeled Report Period. You can choose options like this month, last month, or even set a custom date range. Pick the period that works best for your needs, and the report will automatically update to reflect your selection. Next, let's customize the report to include the information you need. In the top right corner of the report, click on the button labeled Customize. This will open a customization panel on the right side of your screen, where you can adjust various settings for the report. In the customization panel, look for the section called Columns. Click on it to expand the options. Here, you'll see a list of available columns that you can add to or remove from the report. Scroll through the list and find the checkbox labeled Sent. Click on the checkbox to add the Sent column to your report. Once you do this, QuickBooks will refresh the report, and you should now see the Sent column displayed. Take a moment to verify that the Sent column is visible in your report. This column will show whether each invoice has been marked as sent, making it easier to keep track of which invoices have been delivered to your customers. At this point, review the report to see the details for all the invoices within your selected date range. If you need to refine the list further, you can adjust the date range again by going back to the report period drop-down at the top and selecting a different time frame. The report will refresh accordingly. Finally, double-check that the Sent column remains visible after any adjustments. If for some reason the column disappears, simply return to the Customize menu and ensure the Sent checkbox is still selected. And that's it. Now you know how to generate and customize an invoice list report in QuickBooks Online to show which invoices have been sent. This is a simple yet powerful way to stay on top of your invoicing process and ensure everything runs smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.